Milk chicken drumsticks.
Alright guys, you're going to need some milk, but if you're lactose intolerant, use Lactaid or lactose-free milk. Add ginger powder, tandoori spice, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. And this is already on the stove on low heat, so you're going to stir that together in your pot. And then you're going to add your clean rinsed chicken into the actual pot, like so. And then you're going to bring that to a boil about 20-25 minutes till it's like this. Then you're going to add a little vinegar. And this vinegar is going to make this sauce thick. That's what we need to coat that chicken very well. And once that's coated like so, like that, you see that texture, that's what we want here. And you just take the broth that's in the bottom, just keep putting it on top of the chicken drumsticks like so. And then you're going to get you some olive oil or grapeseed oil, whatever oil you prefer. And you're just going to take those drumsticks and just align them in your Pyrex pan or whatever pan you have available. Just like this. But be careful, this is very, very hot when it comes out of the pot, guys. So use utensils. Just line it up. As many you can get into your Pyrex pan, that will be great. And you take that thick consistency from the pot of the boiled milk and all the spices or what have you. And you're just going to coat that on top of the chicken. Just really coat it well. Make sure you want to use all of that brothy paste that's left in the pot. Now get you a few slices of butter. I would suggest, just use salt-free butter. And then you bake that again in the oven for about another 10 to 15 minutes. And you take that out and you plate it on some rice and take that sauce and just drizzle a little bit on top of the chicken and decorate it. And there you have it. Bon appetit. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Who would have thought? Milk chicken. Try it for yourself. Beautiful. Ooh, are you hungry yet? Bye-bye.